iPiD has launched an AI-powered name matching tool for verification of Payee, developed in collaboration with Microsoft. The tool addresses new European regulations requiring banks to verify payee names to combat scams. Partial matches, often caused by spelling errors, pose challenges while raising GDPR concerns. iPid's solution uses Microsoft Azure OpenAI service to balance precision, compliance, and efficiency. CTO Ivan Chung says the tool combines linguistic depth with speed and adaptability. Subscribe to TheFinRate for latest news and updates from the fintech world. Thanks for watching.